One of the questions we get most often is, how do I stake my EQX tokens on the EQFI platform? Well, in this video, we're going to go over a step-by-step walkthrough of how to do just that. So once you've signed up for an EQFI account and log into the dashboard, you'll see this page. Just select staking on the left-hand side. You'll be brought to this page. And while we're here, it's actually important to note that there are actually different benefits that unlock depending on how many tokens you'll stake. There aren't any minimum staking amounts. So if I wanted to, I could stake just one EQX token. However, starting at 10,000 EQX stake, there are actually different benefits like higher lending rates, lower borrowing rates, and many more. So depending on your needs, you should think about how much EQX you want to stake. You should also note that there is a minimum staking duration for 90 days on the EQFI platform. That means you'll be able to withdraw your tokens 90 days after your last deposit. After 90 days, I can unstake at any time if I want, or until then, I can continue just collecting the benefits and leave them staked on the platform. All right, so let's go over the steps on how to stake. First, you need to sign up for an EQFI account, navigate to the staking page where I'm at now. You also need to have connected your wallet. So if you haven't done that, I highly recommend that you stop and watch the video we created on how to do that first. Then you just want to click the green stake button on the top right. And from here, I can input how many tokens I want to stake. So let's say right now I want to stake 500 tokens. Make sure then you select this checkbox here that says that you acknowledge that you'll be staking these tokens for a minimum of 90 days, and then just click stake. And an approval will load in your MetaMask. And then just please confirm it. And now I'm actually going to sign into my ledger because I've got my ledger connected to my hardware wallet. And once I've accepted the transaction, now I'm just going to wait. And it's actually really important you don't leave this page while you're staking. If you do leave this page, MetaMask won't send you any of the notifications. And so now here you can see the gas fee and the total. And it's always the best practice to try and maximize the gas fee whenever possible, just to make sure you have the smoothest experience. I can also navigate up to the advanced section and put in a higher gas price if I want. And then I'll just hit save and confirm the transaction. Now I've got to sign in on my ledger again to accept the transaction. And then we just wait a little bit more. And it's worth noting that at this point, you should not be concerned if the transaction takes a little bit of time to process, because EQFI is actually doing a very complex operation on the blockchain. So now the staking is complete. And as you can see, it's loading onto my screen. And in a minute, I'll be able to see my staking balance of 500 tokens. And that's it. Now my tokens are staked. I have the option to unstake them in 90 days, or I can continue to leave them staked and just keep earning APR, depending on what my needs are. So thanks for watching. If you haven't already done so, I highly recommend that you start staking those EQX tokens and start earning rewards today at EQFI.com.